bitterly cold this morning, sub-zero temperatures across a good part of England and Wales, and we recorded a low of -5 even in Bournemouth. A different story further north in the UK though. Across the north and west, temperatures at dawn were around about 11 Celsius. Now, good news if you don't like the cold, because it looks as though over the next few nights, certainly through the weekend, things will turn gradually milder across these southern parts. Now, we should eventually say goodbye to the fog problems as well, but for the time being, they are still with us. We do have some lingering fog patches across parts of southeast England and East Anglia, and because some of that fog is likely to reform again tonight and linger into tomorrow morning, it is going to be a continued risk for drivers. Now, where some of that fog has been lingering into the afternoon, temperatures have really struggled. We only recently got above freezing in a few spots, and probably 2 or 3 is the best you can hope for if you've still got the fog with you. Still quite chilly across a good part of England and Wales, but milder as we look towards Scotland and Northern Ireland. But with that milder air spreading in, it's also been bringing with it a fair amount of cloud, and you're likely to find some pockets of rain across the likes of Northern England right through the afternoon. There will be some brightness around, perhaps parts of northern Scotland, southern parts where you don't have the fog. But as I mentioned, that fog is likely to reform as we go through tonight. Towards the north and the west, we'll hear a different story. The breeze will be picking up to bring with it some cloud and rain. I think it'll be turning quite windy, in fact, across the northwest. Temperatures, though, no lower than around 8 degrees. Now, further south, we may just get a frost once again, but it's not going to be as cold as it was last night. Even so, a chilly start to the day with some lingering fog here and there, but I think for much of England and Wales, it will be a dry day. Some thicker cloud out towards the west may be bringing the odd spot of drizzle, probably the best of the sunshine across more eastern areas. For Scotland and Northern Ireland, though, the cloud and the rain will slowly slip its way southwards across the north and west. Temperatures up to 11 degrees or so. Sunday, though, I think should be largely dry for all of us and milder. Darren.